kick. Mommy's the blocker. Blocker does mother. Oh, here ko. Oh, kick. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Whoop. Kick, Ezekiel, kick. Oh, you got 2 balls to kick, Matthias. Whoop. Gonna block it. I'm gonna block it. Whoop. Run, Ezekiel, and kick. Run and kick. Run and kick. Whoop. Wow, 2 balls, Matthias. Go, run. Whoop. Almost there. Ezekiel. Whoop. Whoop. Hui. Hui. I'm gonna block. Gonna block this too. What? Oh, goal! Good job. What? Almost there, Ezekiel. Almost, Ezekiel. Almost. Whoop. What? Ah, goal! Good job. Hello, happy kayo siya. Okay, you're the blocker. Mommy's turn. Okay, give me the ball. Matthias. Thank you. Matthias, you too. You're gonna kick. Okay. Mommy da is the kicker. Kicker does matter. Come on, Matthias. Yeah. Yeah, you get the ball. Good job. Are we ready to kick? Whoop! What? Oi. Good job. Mommy's turn. Turn to kick. Kick. Kick, kick, kick. Let's go. The blocker is Ezekiel Dali. It's so cute kayong blocker. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Ah! Good job. There go, block, Matthias. Wow, you're good. Another kick. Whoop! Good job, Matthias. Go, 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 go. Yeah, your turn. Go, Matthias. Goalie! Woohoo! Don't be mad. It's your turn. Good job, Ezekiel. Good kick. Woohoo! Mommy's the blocker. Good job. Oh, side pa siya. Oh. Whoop. Ep. Woohoo! Good job. Oh. Oh. Almost there. Almost here. Almost here. Whoop. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, almost. You will try again, yes. Wow, go. Matthias, great job. Mad mani oy? Don't be mad. Remember, keep trying and trying. Oh, Matthias. Whoop. Very tiny ball. Tiny ball. Tiny ball. Your turn, Ezekiel. I know you can do it. Oh, you're sad. Don't be sad. You did it. Hello. Sad ang atong first our soccer ball player. He is a super sad. Yeah, if I would say good to the other one, this other one would get mad. Hello. Hello, mad. See you, mad. Oy! Oy! Super mad man, oy. Oy! Yay! How about Ezekiel? Don't be mad. Mad na siya ba? See? Your brother give it to you. Go kick. Kuwan ka na siyang isa ay kang saputon. Saputon! Bungkulon! Bungkulon! Even you toss it, the ball would get out. Oh! Good job, Tias. Oh! Whoa! One more try. Yeah. Good try. Mommy is the blocker. Go try kicking for now. For goalie. The small ball, the big ball. Ang bungkulon, oh, bungkulon. Ay, bungkol. Oh, kuyang bungkol, ay. Bungkulets. Ay. Uy. Wow. That's the heavy one. That's for the croquet, guys. The ball. Heavy. Come back here. Mommy's the blocker. Good job. Kick. Woohoo. Oh. Oh. Oy. Good job, Nak. Whoop. Are you a blocker of Ezekiel? Woohoo. Kaya akong blocker, B. Whoop. Get ready, blocker. I'm coming. Oh, cute kaya akong blocker ba? Whoop. 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 Ay, wow. You're good. Matias. Tuwa na sulod. Kami na lang ni Ezekiel. Oh, oh nag-coaching pa siya. Nag-coaching. Hi, blocker. Huh? Kaya akong coach ba? Whoop. 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 Oh, wow. Good job. Kick it back to mama. Whoop. Good job. Blocker. He's a good blocker. Whoop. Whoop. Ah! Go, Chips. Go, Chips, go. Chips. Nak, the Chips Snacks is football. The one we're playing is soccer. Soccer ball. Hello, good Chips go po ni siya. Oh. La, Super Bowl is gonna be Sunday. No. Oh.
Go Chips go.
Good Chips go na siya. Ano? Ang player. So, kayo nakatulog. Hagok. Himala kayo. He's not been napping lately. But now, kapoy din eh. Very tiring din yung mag-soccer player. Knockout man. Ay, knockout ang baby. Baby ni mama na knockout. Cozy kasi nag-sleep. Wala siya pang baby na. 12 pa, sleeping na. With school with his brother. And that's why he's not annoying us kasi wala sleep. Nice, but akong coach / blocker sa soccer ball. Sleeping. Veggies. Ready na ang ube. Nag-tip na. Ready to go. And fried tilapia. And veggies. Broken.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.